Originally introduced in the 1950s, the KC-135 Stratotanker is poised for a major upgrade aimed at boosting its survivability in increasingly hostile air environments. Recent reports, including confirmation in the U.S. Air Force's FY 2026 budget request, reveal plans to equip this veteran refueling aircraft with a new onboard drone delivery mechanism, DDM. This innovative system will enable the KC-135 to deploy small unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, enhancing its ability to defend itself and other vital assets during missions. This move reflects a strategic shift in extending the utility of long-standing platforms by integrating cutting-edge unmanned technology, ensuring their relevance in modern, high-threat conflict zones. The DDM would involve modifications to the KC-135's rear fuselage, replacing the aft door with a common launch tube system. This setup could launch compact drones like the Coyote or Altius 600, which are capable of conducting surveillance, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or acting as decoys. Such capabilities far surpass traditional passive defenses, providing tanker crews with new tools to detect and neutralize threats before they reach the aircraft. The KC-135 has long been a cornerstone of the Air Force's aerial refueling fleet since the Cold War era. Incorporating a drone deployment system marks one of the most futuristic enhancements ever proposed for this model. Early flight tests reportedly took place in fiscal year 2024, setting the stage for full development as part of the upcoming fiscal plans. The Air Force aims to leverage operational insights from contested zones such as Eastern Europe and the Indo-Pacific, where large support planes like the KC-135 face mounting risks from sophisticated enemy air defenses. Unlike previous defensive measures, such as infrared countermeasures designed to confuse incoming missiles, this drone launcher concept introduces a proactive defense element. By sending out drones to scout ahead, jam enemy radar, or distract hostile systems, the tanker's chances of survival increase significantly. While similar drone tactics have been trialed on bomber aircraft like the B-52, this represents a novel application for aerial refueling platforms, enhancing their operational flexibility and safety in contested airspace. If fully realized, this drone capability would also highlight a broader strategic emphasis on safeguarding key support elements that enable sustained long-range combat missions. As potential foes enhance their air denial technologies, the ability for refueling tankers to operate securely near contested zones will be critical for maintaining air superiority. For U.S. allies and partners, especially in NATO's eastern regions and the Indo-Pacific theater, upgrading the KC-135 underscores a commitment to closing vulnerabilities that could jeopardize force projection. Budget documents confirm the DDM system's inclusion in the FY 2026 Air Force budget request, though its full-scale rollout depends on continued testing and financial backing. The Air Force Life Cycle Management Center and Air Mobility Command are jointly managing efforts to transition the concept into an official program. While the KC-135 remains essential to global air mobility, the insights from this project are expected to inform upgrades for newer refueling aircraft like the KC-46A Pegasus, helping ensure the survivability of future tanker fleets. This initiative showcases how the U.S. military is innovating with manned-unmanned collaboration to protect critical support missions. If advanced through development and deployment, the KC-135's drone launcher could redefine how aerial refueling operations defend themselves and sustain mission readiness in increasingly contested battle spaces.